here is your homework for chapter 58 for your singing portion of the homework. And at this rate, it might be the only homework you could get for the week because we need to catch up on grading your stuff. So what you're doing is I'm going to play the chords and you have to solfege to them, to the beat. All right, just like we practice. So here's your accompaniment track. We're going to start with letter A. And you can practice this as many times as you need to, but just go ahead and submit your best work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes letter D. Let's do letter D. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is letter G in minor mode. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is letter J, also in minor mode. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good luck. Have fun with that. Really practice so your intonation is even more perfect than maybe you have it already. Some of you especially that are singers, are very much aware of pitch. But the rest of us, we have two issues going. We're instrumentalists or pianists and we're used to just pushing down a key and aren't aware of pitch because we don't maybe have control over it. If the piano's out of tune, well, we can't do anything about that. But with our voice, we can. So practice slowly and accurately. You're all on this individualized path here this semester from different starting points, but every one of us, wherever we are in this journey to have beautiful intonation, can still improve. So really think about that. That's what this is all about this week, improving your intonation. Good luck and have fun.